Hello! Welcome to Blue Bike and Noise channel with another episode of Dickin Around in the Shed. Well, we back from Florida. Yeah. What can we say about that? Awesome trip. Alright, so we're back on the POS 10, making it just a plain S10. So this was the AirMax controller deal I got. And I don't know what to do with instructions. But we'll figure it out. I don't have a plug for it. I wish they would have gave me a plug. 8 wires. And then, I don't know. So, I wasn't going to use this, but now I am because... Oh, run that intro. Okay, we're back, man. We back. Need to clean this mess up. Maybe a rainy day when I feel like it. I might clean this up. Anyway, like I was saying, so this is a 7th switch AirMax XXX. Oh, it's XX. AirMax XX. I don't know what that double X. Anyway, but we got 7 controllers up. This could be probably left front. No, yeah, left front up, right front. I mean right back up, down, up, down. Front rear. That leaves 3 switches open. Front all the way. Both front up, both rear up, all up. Maybe. The reason why I wasn't going to use this is use the regular thing, and then I got to thinking, if I used the regular switches, I'd be unhooking, and when I start redesigning the interior, which is coming. Yeah, $2,000 for system, maybe what I'm priced out. I'm going to go with Rockford Fod's gates, 2 12s, and 6.5 mids and a tweeter I'm gonna put in the door. So I need 2 amps, 1 head unit. I'm gonna go with a big touchscreen kind, like an Android, Apple CarPlay on it. And then a Rockford gate, 300 watt amps for the subs, and 150 for the mids and highs. So let's get to this. You can probably hear the pump and truck running. So I need this, and we'll go. I'll show you when we get there. Yeah. Hey guys, let me fix you here. Everything's falling down here. Hey, this is the brand new. It worked great till I had it hooked here to the ground in the door, and then I shut the door and broke it. Don't do that. Now I gotta get a new clip. It kind of works. Notice how it's set. We got all the wires ran. Here's my control box. Can go all the way up, all the way down. One button, or maybe I want to look like. Maybe I want to look like one of them, them boys that likes doing this. Woo-hoo. Yeah, I'm cool, ain't I? The only problem is the air on the front takes so long to air up for some reason. I guess the weight of the motor. Hit the wrong switch. Go side to side. Boy, it back comes up quick. Watch. Up, back. Woo, I'm a hot rider. prop won't come up. Got to build up air pressure. But I can go all the way up. All up. That switch. Got to build up pressure. But I like it. I can control everything from this right here. Go side to side if I had the side to side. Running low. Oh, and then watch. Cut the compressor off. Cut the compressor on. Yep. Air Max. Rider. All the way down. I'm gonna be too low. You ain't gonna be no low. I'm gonna look stupid. No stupid than you always look. I'm gonna be too low. Well, I know y'all don't want to see. I mean, it's just wire, plugging wires, heating wire. I gotta go pick up my tools. So. Short and sweet update. Air gauges up and down. Well, I guess we'll clean the interior and start taking it apart. And well, let's get the bed trim on next, maybe. Yeah, I got all the stuff. I think just bolting it all together. We'll do that maybe next week, maybe. So if you would, you can check out that video there and that one, and hit the subscribe button. Appreciate it.